For decades, capturing an image of a black hole seemed beyond the realm of possibility. However, scientists have recently accomplished this once impossible feat, enabling them to identify and study these cosmic titans with greater clarity. With this new capability, researchers have already uncovered a startling fact. There is a black hole hiding astonishingly close to Earth. Does this discovery spell danger for our planet? Is this black hole drifting toward us? And if one can be found so close by, are there others lurking even nearer? To understand these questions, let's begin with a brief recap of how black holes form. They originate from massive stars, those about 8 to 15 times heavier than our Sun, that eventually burn through their nuclear fuel. While some of these colossal stars explode in violent supernova, hurling matter outward at nearly the speed of light, others simply fold inward, collapsing directly into black holes without a dramatic finale. This inward collapse is so extreme that the star's core compresses indefinitely, forging an object so dense that its gravity traps anything that ventures too close. Even light cannot escape its powerful grasp. Thanks to advancements in observational techniques, astronomers have now identified a black hole located a mere 1,000 light-years from Earth in the constellation Telescopium, near the direction of Sagittarius. On a cosmic scale, 1,000 light-years is practically just down the street. Remarkably, you can even see the star system that hosts this black hole, designated HR 6819, from the southern hemisphere with the naked eye on a clear, moonless night. No telescope required. Initially, scientists believed HR 6819 was a simple binary star system, featuring two stars orbiting each other. Yet upon close examination of their movements and velocities, something didn't add up. One star was following a particularly peculiar trajectory, suggesting that a third, unseen companion, a massive but invisible object, was present. By carefully observing the stars with the MPG ESO 2.2-meter telescope at the La Silla Observatory in Chile, European astronomers confirmed the existence of a hidden black hole, roughly 4 times the mass of our Sun and merely about 25 miles in diameter. In this triple system, one star orbits the black hole every 40 days, while the other star circles farther out, tethered gravitationally to both its stellar sibling and the compact, invisible predator. Should we be alarmed by this revelation? Fortunately, the answer is no. Unlike some black holes that voraciously consume surrounding gas and dust, producing brilliant accretion disks and intense radiation, the black hole in HR 6819 is surprisingly quiet. It does not actively feed, meaning it emits no bright, telltale glow. This stealth makes it even more challenging to detect, yet also ensures it poses no immediate threat. What's more, it isn't barreling through space toward our solar system. At present, it is content to stay where it is, leaving us safe for the foreseeable future. Still, the discovery of a concealed black hole so close by raises fascinating questions. Astronomers estimate that our Milky Way may harbor hundreds of millions of black holes, yet we have identified only a few dozen. Until recently, we mostly found black holes when their gravity tore matter from nearby stars, causing the surrounding gas and dust to blaze with detectable energy. V6116 Monocerotis, previously the nearest known black hole at about 3,000 light-years away, gave itself away in this manner. Cygnus X1, discovered in 1964 and situated roughly 6,070 light-years from Earth, also became famous for its violent feeding habits. Astrophysicist Stephen Hawking famously bet that Cygnus X1 wasn't a black hole before eventually conceding. Cygnus X1's ferocious appetite for a neighboring supergiant blue star makes it a radiant source of X-rays and gamma rays, painting a dramatic cosmic scene. The real game changer occurred in April 2019, when scientists captured the first actual image of a black hole in the galaxy M87, enormous by any standard, 24 billion miles across and harboring a mass equivalent to 6.5 billion suns. This leviathan resides over 53 million light-years away. Safely distant from our cosmic neighborhood, M87's black hole posed no risk. But the mere act of photographing it was a historic milestone. Achieving this required the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of observatories synchronized to function as a single, planet-sized telescope. This technological marvel transforms Earth's diameter into a virtual aperture, vastly increasing resolution. Such breakthroughs now allow astronomers to attempt imaging the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's center, Sagittarius A, which is about 4.1 million times the Sun's mass. Intriguingly, Sagittarius AA's accretion disk appears dimmer and smaller than expected, adding another layer of mystery to black hole science. With these advances, who knows what cosmic discoveries lie ahead? There might be a black hole lurking even closer than HR 6819's, concealed within our celestial neighborhood. Detecting these stealthy entities can be extremely difficult. Their gravitational fields can ripple through space over light years, potentially disturbing orbits of stars and planets that wander too close. Should a planet stray near a black hole, it may be torn to pieces, vaporized, or slingshotted into unknown regions of the galaxy. Some black holes may even be cruising through interstellar space at high speeds, nearly impossible to spot until they are perilously close. Could one be hurtling toward Earth right now? In reality, we'd likely remain unaware until it was dangerously near, close enough to distort the starlight we see at night. Fortunately, no evidence suggests such a menacing scenario is unfolding. For now, our cosmic environment appears relatively tranquil. If you find yourself in the southern hemisphere, consider stepping outside on a clear night and trying to locate Telescopium. Although you'll only see a single bright point of light where HR 6819's 2 stars reside, you can take a moment to reflect that an invisible black hole orbits there too. Its presence, just 1,000 light-years away, underscores how much we've learned about the universe and how many mysteries remain hidden. As observational methods grow ever more sophisticated and instruments become more sensitive, we will undoubtedly discover black holes even closer to our solar system. It's only a matter of time. Stay tuned for more cosmic revelations as humanity continues its quest to understand the vast, dynamic universe we inhabit. If this exploration captured your imagination, subscribe and enable notifications. That way, you'll be among the first to learn about the latest breakthroughs, from black holes to distant galaxies and everything in between. The universe is full of surprises. Who knows what we'll uncover next?